everyone, Von Marie here, and welcome back to the Imagine Crafts YouTube channel. So we are going to make a Easter bunny card today, and this stencil has so many cute bunnies that I wanted to use the Tsukineko Radiant Neon 4 ink pad. And you get 4 colors, and they're warm colors in electric pink, electric coral, electric orange, and later we'll use the electric yellow. But I thought these inks were so pretty and very fun to work with. I love neon, and I just thought an Easter card with these neon colors was going to be really, really cute and pretty. And so I'm just using my blending brush, and this stencil is from a Colorful Life Designs called Bunch of Bunnies, and it's 6x6, and I'm just using my Imagine Crafts mat here, and that way I can wipe it off and it'll be easy. And so I am loving that. I am loving that I just got this mat, so I was super excited. And I will have everything that I use in the details down below. And so I am using this next color, and I'm just kind of going in order, and I was going to use that yellow on this background, and I totally forgot because I didn't count properly, and I was just inking where I thought it should be the next color, and so that's why I will use the electric yellow later. But I love Easter crafting, and these inks make me smile. I love these colors, and I love that they're like cubes and it's connected, so it's really easy just to, even to travel, you can just take this ink pad with you and you have 4 colors ready to go. And so doing that last color there, and then I will share what it looks like. And so really pretty, and this is just some Hammermill 100-pound cardstock. And now I'm going to use this cute bunny. It's from an older stamp set from CC Designs called Easter Cuties. And I thought it'd be cute, her in her Easter. Well, I couldn't figure out at first what I was going to use, but I ended up using the girl in the Easter bunny costume, which I thought went great with the Easter bunny background. And I'm using Memento Tuxedo ink here to ink up my image. My favorite ink to use with markers, Copic markers, alcohol markers, and I'm going to be using it today with colored pencils. And it looks cute already, but I just inked it a second time just to get it a little darker. And I believe I'm using the same paper, Hammermill. And so here are my colored pencils, polychromos, and I'm just gonna grab some colors that kind of look like my background just to match. So I'm gonna color her in like an orange colored Easter bunny costume, and I'm gonna be using my Gamsol and a blending stump to blend my colored pencils. And it was a little bit of coloring, not much coloring, so I just colored a little bit on camera here. And so I love how this card is turning out, and it's really quick and easy, and I just love this background. It's really pretty, so I'm so excited for this Easter bunny card. And almost finished here, and just do the skin and the hair really quickly. And I do love orange. I am loving orange more these days. I'm not sure why. I still love teal and purple, but something about orange. It's really a happy color, just like yellow. I don't think there is a color I do not like. And I think she's so cute, and it'll be such a simple card. You can easily mass produce, batch a bunch of cards just like this. You can do different colors, and Imagine Crafts has so many ink pads, so many on my wish list. So here's where we're going to use that electric yellow. And I thought it was perfect for this scallop circle frame. And really quickly, I will ink blend that, and we will have all the colors used from this ink pad here. This ink pad set. And these are pigment inks. And so really, really pretty. And I couldn't decide if I was going to use that inner circle there. And I chose not to because I really wanted to use I wanted to show a lot of my background. So I'm using a Tuxedo, Memento Tuxedo ink for my sentiment that's going to say some bunny loves you. And it's so cute. And I have my pink A2 card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I have all my pieces there. So I am just going to glue my background with a liquid glue. And I was going to use on point glue to glue my background, but I've never used on point glue for my background, so I've only used it for my embellishments. So I'm going to use it for my embellishments. And I'm adding some foam tape to the back of my sentiment and to the back of my bunny costume girl. And I'm going to put my sentiment off a little to the side, and I did cut off my scallop circle a little bit just to have it off the edge a little bit. So again, you can see a lot of my background there using all those 4 colors. And I really love how it looks. And then I will add her, and this card is pretty much finished. I am just going to add some sequins, and I'm going to use my on point glue for this. And I just love this glue. I've always loved this glue for my embellishments. And I've had this bottle for so long. I did get a new bottle, but I've had this bottle for so long. So it's not very pretty, my label, but the glue is still perfect. And so why use my new one when my older one still works perfectly? So I am just gonna, I guess, not have such a pretty bottle, but excellent glue. So highly recommend getting this glue for your sequins. It's so strong. And I added 5 sequins in different sizes, and they're kind of like when the light hits them, the light bounces off and you see that color from the background, which is so pretty. And I didn't have my tweezers, so I am just using my hands to put my embellishments on, and I am almost finished, and then I will share a close-up. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I had so much fun making this card with you, and I will have the links to my products used, and here is a close-up. So thank you.